If you're looking for a machine that does really nice, smooth, precise aerobatics, then this is what you want. This is the Olympus F3A from FMS. Really quick to put together, runs on a 6S 3700 pack for ideal balance, and flies like a knife through butter when it's up there, and does exactly what you want it to do on the sticks. Really smooth axial rolls, 4-point rolls, 8-point rolls, stall turns, inverted flight, does every basic aerobatic maneuver with ease. And if you're progressing from beginner to intermediate, this is definitely something you should try. I've had this for a while, but I'm going to take it out for a spin since it's such a nice day. Let's give it a go. So there you go, that's FMS's F3A Olympus. Enjoyed flying that, and I'm no expert. I've been flying a long time, but it doesn't mean I'm an expert. But this is a totally different form of flying for me. Precision is a lot different to flying 3D or fast jets or warbirds or anything else. So it's kind of refreshing to get this type of model out of the shed and fly it again. The other thing is that here in England, we have the BMFA scheme, A certificate and B certificate. A certificate for flying safely solo, and B certificate, which is basically a more accurate version of the A certificate. You have to fly it more accurately than the A certificate, and it's a prerequisite for flying at many RC shows that we have here in England and the UK. But a fellow club member, Pete, just said to me and made the observation, this would be a great model for taking your BMFA B certificate, because I think a lot of people make the mistake of getting a model and trying to fly the B certificate maneuvers with something that just makes it difficult. I was just doing 3 spin. I didn't do it for the video, but he asked me to do it afterwards, And this makes it so easy to do because it just flies so accurately. And when you initiate with the rudder, do 3 spins and immediately cancel it and come out of it level going in the same direction, it does it immediately. Now, a lot of models won't do that. They'll continue rotation, or they won't go down in a perfectly axial way, and make it a lot more difficult and make it a lot more challenging for the examiner to tell you that you did it well and that you've passed that B certificate. So do yourself a favor. If you're serious about taking a BMFA B certificate because you want to demonstrate that you can fly more accurately, or you want to fly at RC shows, and they are a lot of fun to fly at, I have to say. It's a great social occasion to fly at these RC shows with other people who are as enthusiastic. I don't do it anymore because I just do filming, but it's well worth picking up something like this F3A Olympus that will allow you to do it easily and do half the work for you. Anyway, the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, along with a discount code. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.